Bango ah. Good morning. Okay. What motivates you to train Dragon Boat?
What motivates me to train Dragon Boat? To learn something new, to have a passion, and ayun, para lumakas.
Very good. And how about you?
Para mag-improve pa yung teamwork and maging fit lalo.
Okay, thank you. 5, 4, 0 starts. Attention! Go! 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 0. Let's go! 3, 7, 8, 9, 3, 0. Let's go! 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Easy!
Sabay-sabay tayo. Iwasan natin yung side comments. Focus lang tayo sa batok ng ano natin na harapan. Tapos isang galaw lang, ha? Sige. So, yan. Ano tayo? Pabilis tayo ng pabilis, ha? Pero kailangan muna makuha yung power. Let's go.
Very good. Okay, stand by guys. Focus na. Attention! Go! 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. 2, 0. 3, 0. Let's go! Easy!